Good morning, students. Today let me start our lesson number 14 of EVS, that is our Panchayat. Clear? Lesson number 14 is Panchayat. All of you must have heard about Panchayat. Na? Panchayat means the government which is running in our villages, in the interior areas. Clear? So let me see what are there. We rule our country. Our country has become independent. Our government has formed. Panchayats have come into existence to work of people in local area can become easy. We know about our institute working in villages and cities. So when, as you all know, in last lesson also I have explained you about like our country was under the British rules. When it became independent, the government was formed. By the government is formed to work for the people, for the development of the area. So the panchayat have come into existence to work for the people, to work in the local area for the development of any village, city, town. Clear? So our panchayat is there in every village. In each and every village there is a panchayat, so that it will do the development of that particular village. Clear? So if you so let me explain you about the system of panchayat. There are the government जैसे तुमने भी सुना होगा कि हम वोटिंग करते हैं, वी वोट फॉर द गवर्नमेंट, हम गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. जस्ट लाइक दैट कुछ रूल्स है उसमें. few layers are also there, like central government is there, state government is there. फिर आता है हमारा ये स्टेट के अंदर जो कुछ एरियाज होते हैं, तो छोटे से अगर लेंगे विलेज, तो विलेज में होता है पंचायत. कुछ विलेज को मिला के बनता है एक तालुका, उसमें होता है तालुका पंचायत. फिर कुछ तालुकास को मिला के होता है एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उसमें होता है हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. So in this way the panchayati systems work in 3 layers, that is the panchayat, taluka panchayat and district panchayat. There are 3 layers in this panchayati system. और पंचायत क्यों बनाते हैं? For the local development, उसी गांव के डेवलपमेंट के लिए पंचायत, हर गांव में पंचायत होता है. और अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन, कितने पॉपुलेशन है उसी हिसाब से पंचायत में मेंबर्स होते हैं. मिनिमम 5 मेंबर्स आर देयर इन एवरी पंचायत. और वहाँ लीडर इज देयर इन द पंचायत, ही इज नोन एज द हु, दैट इज द ग्राम पंचायत एंड द सरपंच. ग्राम पंचायत में जो हेड होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं हम लोग सरपंच. सो द इलेक्शन ऑल्सो डन, इलेक्शन भी होता है वहाँ पर, और सारे लोग जो है वोट देते हैं और वो किसको चुनते हैं? सरपंच को. क्लियर? और इसी तरह से कुछ गांव को मिला के बनता है एक तालुका, और कुछ तालुका को मिला के बनता है हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. और इस तरह से हर एरिया में कैसे डेवलपमेंट है. सो द पंचायत हैज़ कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस फॉर टू वर्क फॉर द पीपल एंड फॉर द लोकल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द people. Now observation, study the map of the district. Which district? The district you are living, like कच्छ. अगर कच्छ के बारे में हम देखें तो उसमें हम देखेंगे वो मैप में कि कितने वहाँ तालुकाज हैं, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कितने तालुकाज हैं, वो तालुका के गांव कितने हैं और कितने उसमें लोग रहते हैं. हु विल मैनेजिंग ऑल दिस तालुका, और ये तालुका में रहने वाले कौन इनको मैनेज करता है. नाउ सी दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ विलेज. ठीक है? अगर ये विलेज को हम देखेंगे, सी वन हॉस्पिटल इज देयर, वन पर्सन इज देयर स्वीपिंग द रोड, द एरिया क्लीनिंग द एरिया, फ्यू चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, वन लेडी इज देयर इन कैरिंग वाटर. क्लियर? सो दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ village. Now see, panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of 3 tier, of which institute like gram panchayat, taluka panchayat and jilla panchayat, in which gram panchayat for villages and municipality or municipal corporation works to manage cities. These institutes are very important for all of us. For proper administration, better work is done with the help of representative of people. Various parts are made on the basis of population. Clear? So panchayati system is all 3 tiers are there, like gram panchayat, taluka panchayat, jila panchayat. gram panchayat के जो members होते हैं, they work for the particular village, particular गांव के लिए वो काम करेंगे. And taluka panchayat works for the whole talukas. Talukas, what is taluka? Taluka, it is a combination of few villages. Clear? And district panchayat works for the total district. डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीन्स बहुत सारे तालुकास को मिला के, बहुत सारे गाँव को मिला के जो होता है, दैट इज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. क्लियर? सो इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट ओनली. सो फॉर प्रॉपर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ दैट वर्क, व्हाट डन, द वोटिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. क्लियर? वोटिंग हम करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को हम भेजते हैं कि सो दैट दे विल गो, दे अंडरस्टैंड आवर प्रॉब्लम, दे विल सॉल्व आवर प्रॉब्लम. क्लियर? सो वेरियस पार्ट्स आर मेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. और पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से अलग अलग पार्ट किया जाता है, वार्ड बनाया जाता है. जैसे अभी रिसेंटली एक इलेक्शन हुआ था वार्ड मेंबर्स के लिए. सो अलग अलग, क्योंकि इतने बड़े एरिया को एक जन हैंडल नहीं कर सकते, दैट्स वाई दे डिवाइडेड द पार्ट्स इनटू वेरियस वार्ड्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वन पीपल विल वी इलेक्ट देम एंड दे आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, दे विल सॉल्व द लोकल प्रॉब्लम्स देयर. Now panchayat are working to solve our local problems speedily. So get following details and write. Clear? So panchayats are there to solve the local problem. क्योंकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो है वो तो आके हमारे लोकल में क्या हो रहा है वो नहीं देखेंगे. So the panchayats are there to work to solve our local problems. Now a few things are there. Like these are all homework. It is according to the local areas. You have to write down like ward number क्या है, elected कौन elect किया हुआ है वहाँ पर. So these are not part of your that is taluka panchayat manages taluka and gram panchayat, then jilla panchayat, then come the information of total number of members, elected head, administrative office, who does give to look after, all these things are there. Now come to the school पंचायत मीन्स स्कूल में भी हम लोग का कभी कभी इलेक्शन होता है. एज यू नो, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, क्लीननेस सेक्रेटरी, कौन कौन, जैसे क्लास में सपोज वी सी द क्लासरूम के अगर इफ़ यू टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द क्लासरूम, वी इलेक्ट द मॉनिटर्स, है ना. मॉनिटर्स आर देयर टू लुक आफ्टर द discipline of the class. Some we make the blackboard monitor so that they will look after about the blackboard, whether it is clean, you write the names and everything. Few we make the notebook monitor, like they will see the whether we have your notebook is proper or not, you are doing the homework or not, so like that. In this way that is the village also work like this only. So your friend may be in the class panchayat or in school panchayat. So representatives are appointed in class or school to share various responsibilities. The same is followed by in gram panchayat, taluka panchayat and jilla panchayat. If elected in one area, can represent the area. We have seen about such representatives. So suppose like that only, when we are electing or our class member, like that only the system is like in gram panchayat, taluka panchayat, jilla panchayat. In the same way the election held and we elect our members. So cleanliness, secretary of classroom for cleanliness, like this the representative of panchayat represent the problem of his own area, make attempt for development of his area. In this way useful work for the people is done. Local institute are very important. जैसे as I told you, suppose I have made one that is blackboard monitor. That monitor has to look after the blackboard, whether it is clean, the dates are properly written, the subject are properly written or not. Like that only in panchayat also few members are elected purposely, like for cleanliness, for water, for road and for hospitals. Like that they have also divided their work so that they can see that area, particular area, and the development will be good in that area only. Clear? So this is the all about your, you have to go through this. Then come panchayat name, gram panchayat, municipality, taluka panchayat, the post. That is sarpanch is the leader. In taluka, president is the leader. Jilla panchayat, president is the leader there. And few members are also there. Few committees are also there in Jilla panchayat, like education committee are there to look after the school, how the schools are running. In this way, few parts they have divided the each area of working, like education committee, that is for cleanliness, some committee are there, for health committees are there, cleanliness committees are there, for transportation roads different committees are there. So in this way they used to divide the district or the jilla panchayat. So this is all about your lesson number 14, that is our panchayat. And I will again explain you the workbook also, because few things are there and the content is not there, not detail in your textbook. So whatever question answer in your workbook I will give, that also I will take one more class to explain you and give you, same day I will give you the PDF also. Okay everyone, so take care.